Hey guys, welcome back. Today what we're gonna do will be a carbon racket. Okay, so this is the carbon racket that we're gonna attempt on. Okay, I'm gonna put a name onto this carbon racket. So a lot of people actually came and told me that we can't be able to work onto a carbon. But I'm gonna show you guys actually how are we gonna put the name on the racket itself. So maybe the spot down here. So I actually have done earlier where I put in a name. Okay, so let's see. Hope you guys can be able to see it there. Okay, so I already put a name down here. Okay, the sunrise. Okay, and additionally, I have put it onto the holder as well. Okay, the rubberized grip. Okay, you can see. Okay, so that's what I have done earlier. But what I'm going to show you, I'm going to get this tutorial get going, will be another one where I have done earlier. So how am I going to attempt onto this carbon racket? Okay, this is a badminton racket, I guess. Yeah, it's a badminton racket by Onyx. Okay, so let's get into it. Today I'm going to use the F1, all right? Okay, I already set it up, all right? So I put my racket onto the base, and do make sure, don't forget your mini leveler. Do place it on top of where you want it to engrave, all right? So I just put it on here, so they are actually, the marking is actually level. So that's the spot that I already set it up. So the next thing is going to be on the XCS, and I'm going to key in a name, and we're going to engrave onto the carbon racket, or it's called a graphite, a full graphite racket. Okay, so back onto the XCS, so I'm going to put in a text. So I'm going to go into Aaron. Okay, so this is the name that I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to go into engrave. All right, so okay, I don't think there is a settings onto the library. So let's try graphite. Nah, there isn't any. All right, so since there isn't any, I'm going to use my own settings. So not this. So anyway, it doesn't work. So I'm going to go into the IR. Okay, and I'm going to go into, let's say, 80% power at 200 millimeter per second at 200 lines per cm. Okay, so this is the settings that I'm going to go, and I'm going to go into framing. Okay, so I'm going to position it on the racket itself. Okay. Okay, so I think that's about it. It's pretty okay. I'm quite fine with it. So I'm gonna stop the framing, and we're gonna go into process. Let's see what is the time that you're gonna take. I guess this will be around 2 seconds. Okay, so we will do that. All right, so I'm going to go into go. Okay, and we will start the engraving. Okay, so I already sent the file over. Okay, so I'm going to cover it, and we will start the engraving by pressing the start button, and we'll go. All right, so it's done. Take a look. Okay, let me zoom it in. All right, so there you go. So that is how you actually engrave onto a full carbon, or some may actually call it a full graphite. So this is a carbon racket. So it's done. So I hope you follow, and we will see in the next one.